Hey there, it's Kimberly Lucht, and I'm a business coach, energy healer, and dance guide for entrepreneurs who want to make more money and magic doing what they love. And so if that sounds like you, you're in the right place. And today we're going to be doing a somatic movement practice for anxiety release. And so if you've been feeling a little like on edge or just super tense or nervous about whatever it might be in your life or in your business, this is going to be perfect for you. To begin, we're going to shake our hands towards each other. And so you're going to just move your hands and flick them towards me. Breathing deeply as you flick energy away from you. Breathing nice and deep. So inhaling, exhaling. Exhale. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Nice. 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Few more. Two more. Last one. Nice. So releasing that down, maybe brushing your hands on your thighs a little bit, grounding back into your body, maybe even rubbing the hands together like this. Whew. We're gonna get into the next somatic movement exercise. And so I want you to put your hands on your thighs. You're gonna bring your chest forward like this and then back like this. And so it looks kind of like this. You might have seen this in Kundalini yoga. And so we're just really getting into the rib cage of the body and finding some energy to expend and contract out of the body. And so when you go out, you're gonna inhale in, and when you go back, you're gonna exhale out. So it's gonna look a little like this. So join me whenever you're ready. Inhaling and exhaling, inhaling, exhaling. Maybe closing your eyes to the room as you move. Going as nice and slow or as fast-paced as you like. About 30 seconds left. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling in, opening up the chest. Holding the breath at the top and gently releasing whenever you need to on the exhale. So now we're gonna get into a little bit more of an intuitive movement practice. I want you to use all of the energy that you already built and start moving around your space in an intuitive way with the intention of getting energy out of your body. And so you can use the flicks, you can use the expansion and the contraction elements that we've already played with as you move in and around your space. I really want you to start to expend any anxious energy in your body. So I'm gonna have just how I'm intuitively moving right now. I'm probably gonna use a lot more sharp and staccato movements. Do whatever feels right for you. You can even have fluid motion. It really just depends on what feels right in your body today. And so starting to intuitively move around the space, anything interesting or weird or doesn't make sense, that's perfect, because your body and your fascia just really love a nice surprise. When it doesn't know where it's going, that's kind of the point. And so really letting your body take you for a ride, letting the somatics guide you instead of you guiding the somatics. Whew. Again, if it looks weird, feels weird, is weird, perfect. Make it weird, make it interesting, make it feel right, you know? Let it be an expenditure of energy. It doesn't really have to be anything other than movement. Just moving your body. Maybe you're shaking, maybe you're wiggling, maybe you're doing a combination of both. Finding your flow and finding your groove for the next 30 seconds. Maybe closing your eyes if it feels safe to do so. Watching out for the objects around you. You can use sound here as well. Really good, you guys. 10 more seconds. Really giving it your all, finding your highest peak intensity. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then bringing your hands to your heart. Breathing in this space, breathing in your heart space. Noticing how it feels to tune in. Notice how you're feeling now after releasing some energy through these somatic movement practices, the intuitive movement practices. Taking a few more deep breaths here, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Once more, in through the nose, out through the mouth, and then gently bringing your hands to your lap and opening your eyes to the room. Thank you so much for being with me here and for moving with me. I hope you feel a release and relief from the anxiety that you might have felt at the beginning. I'd love to know what you're feeling, how you experience this, and so comment below to let me know. And if you want more guidance like this, I think you'll really love my free open and release movement meditation. The link to access that is down below. All you have to do is put in your name and email address, and that'll get sent straight to your inbox. Thank you so much again for being here, and I'll catch you in the next video. Ciao for now. Bye.